Hey guys, you ever come to Airsoft and think to yourself, I think a Nerf gun would be much more viable here? No? Well, this guy thought that. He let the voices in his head win today.
That's sick, man.
I down strapped it on. We got 2 in the barrel right now.
You got in a kill with it yet?
No. I just brought it. We just built it yesterday at like midnight.
Is that like your main primary?
This
Like
is
that's
my
it?
primary. That Vulcan.
That's a secondary.
You don't want that. Yeah, just in case that craps out on you.
Oh yeah, just in case. Man,
I like the pickets. I like how you zap strap the pickets in.
It doesn't work. I tried to.
No, it doesn't work. Oh no!
It's pump action. And I actually have a decent spot to put that for once.
Yeah. My man got the Fortnite kit.
I got that Fortnite.
Oh, I haven't plugged in my gun. Goes to show how ready I am. Okay. One down on the right. Right in front of you, man. There's like some plywood. Guys, one of the plywood, top right. Oh, someone's got some crazy hop today. What's going on here? Watch that back right corner if there's anyone. Hit player coming out of the church. Hit player. Right corner, bottom of the church, right corner. I think there's one down behind the green tarp. Yeah, one down, green tarp. Still got one on the bottom right corner here. Right in front of the stairs.
There's one by that tree. Next to the fence.
Yeah, I see feet by the front door. On the left.
How many are there left?
Probably 5. 5 or less. One down by the tree in front of the stairs. Nade out! 2 down! 2 down! Yeah, we got the church.
Game over. Walk side.
Go.
Oh yeah, I thought I smelled bubblegum or something.
We gotta name this thing, Prairie Dog.
Oh, the gun? The Fortnite blaster. Or just the green machine.
Pump shotgun. Green machine.
Green. It's mean green.
Mean green. There, that's it. That's it right
mean green. Okay.
I like your barrel.
Thanks. Cool. Yeah, it came tan and then I just like painted it black and silver and red. So.
Do you see one right now?
One right here.
Coming in. Oh wait, bands.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry. Yep.
Oh wait, what?
I'm gonna run back.
Okay.
Now would be a good time to run back if you want to grab cover back here.
FBI, open up!
Yeah, there was one of the plywood. Oh, the sun's coming out. Look at that.
Look at that.
I can see!
One, two. Holy shit! That what the f? That was
Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright.
Moving out to the where you can shoot his feet. You dead, you dead, you dead. Yep! Another one, another one, another one. Holy shit! Yeah, ramp, ramp.
I can't do shit. If I keep them.
Oh, the headshot! Holy oh, I'm hit.
Hit! Godspeed.
Good players!
Okay, I've got 2 or 3 of them.
Reloading, reloading. Hit.
Hit player!
Hit.
What?
Okay. Hit! Oh, that was your hit player, come out!
I could have gotten green machine.
That
I
was
should
your
have brought a green machine.
That was it, man.
What were you thinking?
Yeah, he was gonna.
You should have.
You didn't even see me.
No.
Yep. One down middle hallway. Yep. One down center. I think there's one in green. This guy's got a springer and he's jumping. Hit! You got my finger? Yeah, coming out, coming out, coming out!
Hit players coming out the back. Let them out.
Hey, maybe one, full house, right side.
Hit players coming from the bottom. Let them out.
That's Chris. I did it. I was like, wait, what? Tag 2 guys, right side. Yeah. One more back. Up. There.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, you're good, buddy. You're good. He's down. One down.
Check.
One more creeping up. Tan pants, black shirt. Another one. Tan pants. 2. Tan pants, black shirt.
Inside center, there's a shield.
Corner of blue.
Corner blue.
Hit players coming out. Hit players coming out.
One down. Yellow. Nice. One down. Top.
Hit players coming out. Let them out.
Yeah, thanks. A's clear. Inside green, inside green.
Hit players coming out the center. Let them out. Hit players.
Sorry, was that me?
No.
Okay.
Hit.
1, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's game over. Swap sides. Final round.
Ah!
Is that yours? $5 on the ground? $5? Anyone's?
Oh God. It's yours, my friend. You can have it.
Actually, who's
I mean, yeah, no, yeah.
I mean, yeah, it could be anyone's. I mean,
No.
I'll put it on the table.
it's a crime to destroy money. That's all I know.
Well, I hope whoever lost $5 found their $5 that day. Probably worth more than that Fortnite sawed-off double-barrel meme blaster, which, sadly, our friend never got a kill with that day. Keep trying though, hide long enough and you're definitely gonna end up embarrassing the shit out of somebody with it. Alrighty, that's it for this week. Still crossing my fingies for some snow. See you guys soon.